Raindrops tapping on my window pane, whispering secrets in a sweet refrain. Blanket wrapped around my weary soul. In this peace I found my heart is whole. Hallelujah for the cozy gray. Heaven's tears wash the blues away. In the calm of this holy grace, I feel love's warm embrace. Crowns above like a velvet quilt. In the rain, no shame, no guilt. Every drop a gentle kiss from above. Filling my heart with divine love. Hallelujah for the cozy gray. Heaven's tears wash the blues away. In the calm of this holy grace, I feel love's warm embrace. Speaks in a sacred tone. Nature choir makes me feel at home. In the quiet I hear your voice. In the storm I find my choice. Hallelujah for the cozy gray. Heaven's tears wash the blues away. In the calm of this holy grace, I feel love's warm embrace. Hallelujah for the cozy gray. Heaven's tears wash the blues away. In the calm of this holy grace, I feel love's warm embrace. Clouds above like a velvet quilt. In the rain, no shame, no guilt. Every drop a gentle kiss from above. Filling my heart with divine love. Thunder speaks in a sacred tone. Nature's choir makes me feel at home. In the quiet I hear your voice. In the storm I find my choice. Hallelujah for the cozy gray. Heaven's tears wash the blues away. In the calm of this holy grace, I feel love's warm embrace. Heaven's tears wash the blues away.